13 million children are experiencing food insecurity in the U.S. right now. That's 1 in 5 children. That's why HelloFresh has partnered with No Kid Hungry to join the fight against childhood hunger. Because every kid deserves access to fresh and nutritious food. This summer, our mission was to help feed children and families in need, since food insecurity becomes more pressing during school breaks. When many kids no longer receive free or reduced price meals through school programs. Because of this, 41% of parents struggle to provide food for their kids when they're out of school. So we launched the 13 for 13 Million campaign to raise awareness of childhood food insecurity and provide resources to communities across the country. We made 13 stops across the country this summer, hosting donation events, food pantry pop-ups, and more.
4,000 meals were given away between a partnership between HelloFresh and the City of Aurora.
San Diego Food Bank is partnering with HelloFresh to help fight hunger.
A food distribution event held today in Denver. HelloFresh partnering with We Don't Waste and No Kid Hungry.
Thank you to No Kid Hungry and our local partners for a summer of good. Together, we made an impact, and we're just getting started.